Hi folks, just to show you here about a cable that we would see quite often over the years, a cable like this, where somebody has got a house which is wired up for a generator, but the house would have been wired up with a female connection outside the house. So that means the cable then that comes from their generator to the house has to be male to suit. So then they end up with a cable like this, which is a cable with two male ends on it. Now the problem with that is that if you plug that into your generator and then you go to plug this into your house, while it's in the generator and while it's running, this here is all alive. So this all has power going to it. So this here is a very dangerous cable. As I say, if you plug that into your generator and go to plug that into your house, this here is all alive, you know. It should have a female connection on it here, which is safe, so that nobody can get any contact with the power points on the lead. So the house should have been wired up with this outside the house. This is a male connection, a male inlet, single phase one in this case, and then the cable plugging into that will be a female. So you need to check, has your house been properly set up with a male connection so that you can connect into it with your female cable, because it's for safety reasons. That's what you want. We also do these connectors and all the different accessories you may need for a changeover kit for a building. In this case here, that's a 100 amp changeover from a generator to power supply, to main supply. That's a 100 amp changeover switch, so we have that as a separate item. We have all these things as separate items. These ones I have in my hand here are actually 32 amp connectors, and this is a 32 amp inlet for the building, you know. We also have them online as in a kit form, where you can buy all of that in one kit, so you don't have to think about what you're buying. When you buy that from our website, everything is there that your electrician will need to connect it up to your house. So it's a one-stop shop, click and collect kit.